Hello and welcome to today's Jive Basic Workshop episode 3. We will look at overturn, change of place left to right, kickball change and simple spin, change of place left to right to open CPP, simple spin and stop and go. We start with change of place left to right, overturned. After that, lady turns face to man and we dance kickball change and then simple spin. Quick, quick, quicker, quick, quicker, quick, quicker, quick, quick, quick. Now let's look at overturn change of place to open CPP. So it means we turn a little bit more and man's left side is closer to lady's right side. And from open CPP we can dance both simple spin, so also man spins, and then we do stop and go. When we dance overturn change of place left to right, we can use also rond chassé before simple spin. And then stop and go. Quick, quick, quicker, quick, 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 quick. Lady dances rock, rock, triple step, rock, rock, triple step. One more tip for overturn change of place left to right. When we dance round, after that we can move progressively both. Now man steps, rock, rock, triple step, kick, ball change, in place, rock, rock, triple step with round, simple spin, rock, rock, triple step, rock forward and triple step. And now lady steps, rock, rock, triple step forward turn, kick, ball change, step, turn, step, rock, rock, triple step, rond chassé, simple spin, rock, rock, triple step, rock, rock, triple step. And now let's do to the count. Quick, quick, quicker, quick, quicker, quick, quicker, quick, 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 quicker, quick, quicker, quick, 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 quicker, quick, 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 quicker, quick. And now to music. Let's thank our demonstrators Edgars and Eliza, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.